Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace VW Polo badge step by step. Begin by gathering a hair dryer, plastic trim tools, adhesive remover, microfiber cloths, and masking tape. Clean the badge area to remove dirt and wax, and mask surrounding paint to prevent accidental damage. Heat the badge evenly to soften adhesive, then gently pry the emblem off using plastic tools while keeping constant heat and patience to avoid paint lifting. First, warm the badge with a hair dryer or heat gun on low to soften the glue beneath the emblem. Use plastic picks or a plastic trim wedge to gently slide behind the badge and pry it off slowly, working around the entire badge to release adhesive evenly. Keep the area heated if needed and stop if you feel resistance, then reheat and continue with patience to prevent paint damage. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more hands-on car content. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation. I recently started using leak-proof meal prep containers that make life easier when working on projects and grabbing lunch between steps. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab them if interested. And now let's get back to the video. After the badge comes off, apply adhesive remover to dissolve leftover glue and wipe thoroughly with a microfiber towel. Follow up by cleaning the surface with isopropyl alcohol to remove oils and ensure the new emblem will bond well. Test fit the replacement badge to confirm alignment, mark reference points with masking tape, and let the cleaned area dry completely before applying the new adhesive backing or glue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.